Are you ready to have a fun workout and burn some calories together? Hello everyone, I'm teacher Bea. Welcome to Tahiti Dance Fitness. And let's start. Inhale, exhale. Deep breaths, keep going. For my newbies, don't forget to subscribe and follow us online. Open your arms and sway side to side. Make sure to keep your upper body still at all time and push those hips. You got this. Make a big circle with your hips, the biggest you can. Really push forward and reverse. There you go. Push front and back. Squeeze the pelvis moving forward and backwards. Don't move your upper body. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. And let's get started. Let's get moving a little bit more. Step touch. Awesome. Let's add those arms. Extend your arms all the way up. Great. Inhale, exhale, walking. Inhale, exhale, and stay here. Follow those arms, keep walking. Forehead and open to the right. Again. Very good. Hands to the side. There you go. Don't forget to come and support us on social media. We're on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Inhale and push. Keep walking. Up and push. Extend those arms. Great. Step touch. Don't forget to breathe at all time. Push. Very good. Rolling to the right 2 times. Rolling to the left 2 times. Make big circles. Keep going. And switch to the left. Don't move your upper body. Come on, push those hips. Great. Go on your tiptoes and shake your hips. Forward, drop, backwards, drop. Again, make sure to push your hips side to side. Add a drop and step touch. Awesome. Repeat everything. Right side, left side. Great. Make a big circle. Come on. And left side. Awesome. Tiptoes. Come on, faster. Push those hips. Yes. Front and dip. Back and dip. Give me those dips. Front and go down. Push those hips. Step touch. Repeat. Awesome. Walking, push. Up, push, up. Keep walking. And down. Push, up, push, up, push, up, push. Good. And down. Yes. Keep walking. Inhale and exhale. You're doing fantastic. So now let's get moving even more. Step touch. A 1, 2, 3. Great. Hands. Give me a big smile. Extend your arms. It's getting hot here. Give me a kick and push. Kick, push. Kick, push. And make 2 circles or 1. Push. Push. Very good. And walk front, back, side. Make sure to walk far. We want to sweat it out. And stay. Hands. Awesome. And walk. Front, back. One more time. And go. Kick. 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 Give me a kick. Rolling. Kick. 1. Last one. And rolling. Stay. Make big steps. Arms. You're doing great. Right and left. Push your hips. Right, push your hips. And left. Repeat. Go to the front. Your knees are opening and closing. Back. 1 and 2. Front, stay. Back. 2 steps, twist to the right. 2 steps, twist to the left. Repeat. 2 steps to the side and twist. Step right, step left. Keep going. One last. Front, down, back, open, close. Your knees are opening and closing. 1 and 2. To the side, move your hips. Big twist. To the side, twist to the left. To the side, twist to the right. Stay and roll as fast as you can. Come on, make circles with your hips. Don't move your arms and upper body. Few more. Keep going. And step. Rolling. Step. Make a circle with your hips. Step. Circle with your hips. Step. 4 circles with your hips. And step touch. Arms. Extend. There you go. Clap. Again. Come on, loud claps to the front. To the back. This side, this side, and step touch. Woo, we got this. How is it going? Is it getting warm? I want to see those hips moving at all times. And inhale. step touch. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Inhale, exhale. Few more times. One last time. Woo. Well done. You did great. And kiss. Awesome. Now we're gonna go for our conditioning. Okay, so let's take deep breaths. Position yourself, feet apart like this, shoulder width. And we're going to push the pelvis forward and backwards. I want you to squeeze those abdominals and make sure to keep your back straight. Now we're going to twist. Twist right, twist left, make a figure 8. Squeeze front. Twist. Engage your core. Work out those abdominals. Great. 1 foot forward like this and go in the lunge position. Push those hips side to side and don't move your upper body. Come on, go lower. And push those hips. You should feel a nice burn in those thighs. Few more. And release. Switch side. Make sure you're in the lunge position. Sway those hips. Keep going. You're doing awesome. Just few more. Great, and shake it out. Ready? We're gonna go down on the ground here. Make sure to keep your back straight. And let's work out our abs. Keep your upper body still. And go low and up. If you need a bigger challenge, I want you to go lower like this. Make sure you keep your feet connected to the floor. Go lower if you can. Fantastic. You're doing awesome. Just few more. And stay. Keep your upper body still. You got this. Few more. Hold it. Keep your upper body still. Now, hands on the floor like this. And you're just going to raise those feet up like this. Make sure you engage your core. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Inhale. And you can go higher if you want more challenge. Few more. Breathe. Awesome. And release. Are you ready? Now we stay on the ground and we're going to take a plank position on the knees for the easy version and on the feet like this for a more challenging version. Hold it. Make sure that your hands are below your shoulders and you keep your back straight at all times. Well done, and release. Let's have a nice stretch. Slowly inhale and exhale. Great. Inhale again and exhale. Deep breathing. 1 foot forward. Keep your legs straight and lean forward. Switch sides. Feel the nice stretch. Make sure that your leg is straight to the front. And let's stretch those thighs. If you need to lean against a wall to keep your balance, please do so. Make sure to keep your knees close to each other. Switch sides. Deep breathing. Relax. And inhale. Exhale. Legs super straight. Go downwards. And roll up. Yes, inhale and exhale. One last time and give yourself a big round of applause. Join me for more classes. You have the links below online and follow us on social media. See you for our next class and stay your amazing self.